In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailerlite newsletter using Canva step by step. This easy and straightforward guide will help you use Canva's amazing design tools to craft a newsletter that's both stunning and effective. So, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Canva is a fantastic platform offering numerous design templates that make it easy for anyone to create professional looking designs, even without any graphic design experience. Once you're on Canva's homepage, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in newsletter. This will bring up a variety of template options specifically tailored for newsletters. Next, click on newsletter email from the search results. This selection helps narrow down the options to templates that are perfectly sized and optimized for email newsletters. You'll want to scan through the available templates and select one that catches your eye. It's essential to note that you should choose a free template unless you're subscribed to Canva Pro, which offers additional paid templates. Once you've picked a template, click on it to open it. Now you'll see an option that says customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This action will lead you into Canva's design editor, where you can begin customizing the template to suit your needs and taste. In the design editor, feel free to tweak the template as much as you want. You can alter the text, change colors, add images, or incorporate any other branding elements that align with your style. The goal here is to make the newsletter your own, by reflecting both your message and personal touch. If you're unsure what to edit, consider elements such as your newsletter's font choice or image placement, both of which can significantly impact readability and engagement. Now once your design is finalized, it's time to prepare it for sending via Mailerlite. Click on the Share button located at the top of the Canva interface. This button will open up sharing and download options. From there, you need to click on See All to access the range of available integrations. In the search bar that appears, type in Mailerlite. This is crucial because it allows you to directly connect your Canva design to your Mailerlite account. When Mailerlite appears in the options, go ahead and click on it and then click Connect. While there might occasionally be issues connecting accounts, like what I experienced, you should generally find that the process works seamlessly. If you encounter any technical hitches, double check your Mailerlite account settings. And there you have it, a beautifully customized newsletter ready to engage your audience, created entirely in Canva and linked to your Mailerlite for seamless delivery. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial and happy designing.